In this video, we explore a pressing question. Can we save our wildlife without compromising human needs? As global populations grow and urbanization expands, the delicate balance between conserving biodiversity and meeting human demands is more crucial than ever. Join us as we delve into the complexities of this challenge, examining the significance of wildlife, the impact of human activities, and the various conservation efforts underway. We'll discuss the role of technology, community involvement, and policymaking, while also considering innovative solutions and individual actions that can make a real difference. Together, we can envision a future where both humans and wildlife thrive. 1. The importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life found on Earth, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals. It is essential for ecosystem health and human well-being. A diverse ecosystem provides services such as clean water, pollination of crops, and climate regulation. Imagine a world without bees. The absence of these pollinators would drastically affect food production. Preserving biodiversity is not just about saving animals, it's about maintaining the balance that supports human life. 2. Human needs and their impact on wildlife. Human needs are expanding in various forms, from housing and agriculture to industry and infrastructure. This expansion often leads to habitat destruction, pollution, and overexploitation of resources. For example, the need for agricultural land has led to deforestation in the Amazon, affecting countless species. While humans need food, shelter, and economic growth, these activities can unintentionally harm wildlife. Balancing these needs with conservation efforts is vital. 3. Conservation efforts. What's being done? Various conservation efforts are underway globally to protect wildlife. Governments, NGOs, and local communities are working together to create protected areas, restore habitats, and enforce anti-poaching laws. For instance, the establishment of national parks and wildlife reserves has been crucial in preserving species like the African elephant. These efforts show promise, but they require funding, cooperation, and public support to be truly effective. 4. Technology. A double-edged sword. Technology can both help and hinder wildlife conservation. On one hand, drones and satellite imaging allow for better monitoring of wildlife populations and habitats. On the other hand, industrial advancements can lead to pollution and habitat destruction. The challenge lies in harnessing technology to benefit conservation efforts without causing additional harm. For example, using GPS tracking to monitor endangered species can help in their protection and study. 5. Community involvement. A key to success. Local communities play a crucial role in wildlife conservation. When communities are involved, they become stewards of their environment. Initiatives that include community education and economic incentives often see better success rates. For example, ecotourism in African countries provides income to local communities while promoting wildlife conservation. Engaging communities not only helps in conservation but also addresses human needs by providing alternative livelihoods. 6. Legislation and policy. Setting the ground rules. Effective legislation and policy frameworks are essential for wildlife conservation. Laws that protect endangered species and regulate land use can make a significant difference. However, the implementation and enforcement of these laws are often lacking. International agreements like the Convention on Biological Diversity aim to promote sustainable development and conservation, but they require global cooperation. Strong policies can create a balanced approach to meeting both human and wildlife needs. 7. Education and awareness. Changing mindsets. Education and awareness are powerful tools in wildlife conservation. By educating people about the importance of biodiversity and conservation, we can change attitudes and behaviors. Schools, media, and social platforms can play a significant role in spreading awareness. For example, documentaries like Our Planet have reached millions, highlighting the beauty and fragility of our natural world. An informed public is more likely to support conservation efforts and make eco-friendly choices. 8. Economic considerations. Finding a balance. Economics often drives decisions that affect wildlife. Industries such as logging, mining, and agriculture are vital for economic growth but can harm ecosystems. Finding a balance between economic development and conservation is essential. Sustainable practices, like responsible logging and organic farming, can minimize environmental impact while supporting human needs. Incentives for sustainable practices can encourage businesses to adopt eco-friendly methods. 9. Innovative solutions. Thinking outside the box. Innovation is key to tackling the challenge of wildlife conservation. Creative solutions like wildlife corridors, which connect fragmented habitats, can help species migrate and thrive. Urban planning that incorporates green spaces and wildlife-friendly designs can reduce human-wildlife conflict. For example, building wildlife overpasses on highways allows animals to cross safely, reducing roadkill. By thinking outside the box, we can find solutions that benefit both humans and wildlife. 10. The role of individuals. Making a difference. Every individual has a role to play in wildlife conservation. Small actions, like reducing waste, supporting conservation organizations, and choosing sustainable products, can make a big difference. Encouraging others to be mindful of their environmental impact can create a ripple effect. Imagine if everyone took steps to reduce their carbon footprint, the collective impact would be monumental. Individuals have the power to drive change and support efforts to save our wildlife. The challenge of saving our wildlife without compromising human needs is daunting but not insurmountable. By understanding the importance of biodiversity, involving communities, and adopting sustainable practices, we can work towards a future where both humans and wildlife thrive. It requires global cooperation, innovation, and a commitment to change. The journey is complex, but every step forward counts in preserving the natural world for generations to come.